Here first we will discuss about noun. Nouns are classified as proper noun and common noun. So here summary of noun. So here nouns are of two types, proper noun and common noun. Based on the form, it has as countable nouns and uncountable noun. In countable nouns it forms singular and plural form uncountable nouns. So based on the meanings, so there are divided into four types of nouns, that is nothing but is concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun, collective noun. So noun are of two types, I said already, proper noun and common noun. So proper noun are words like Gandhi, English, example, these are the examples, Hyderabad, Sunday, April, the Himalayas, etc. All the words which are comes under proper noun. So here now next comes to common noun. Common noun based on forms we have countable nouns and uncountable nouns. When comes to the noun common noun based on meaning, we have four types: abstract noun, collective noun, imperative noun. So these common nouns are the words like father, poet, city, language, day, animals, birds, species, etc. These all are comes under common noun. So common noun can be based on the forms. It has been divided into two types. They are countable nouns or uncountable nouns. So here countable nouns nothing but we can measure. So here countable nouns have two forms, that are singular form and plural form. So examples for these countable nouns are man. So here man is a singular form, here man is a plural form, boy is a singular form and plural form is boys. So here food is a singular form and plural form is feet. So tooth is a singular form and teeth is a plural form. These all are the examples of countable noun. So uncountable noun have no plural form. So means we cannot count these. So it is called as uncountable nouns. So milk, rice, oil, water, these etc. These all are comes under uncountable nouns. So based upon the meaning, so common noun is divided into four types. Now this briefly we will discuss now. Common noun based on meanings are classified into four categories. They are concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun, collective noun. So let us discuss what is a concrete nouns. Words which represents object that can be seen or touched are called as concrete noun. Means which we seen with our naked eyes and we touch, we feel what we feel, that all comes under concrete noun. Examples are a student, a room, an ant, a parrot, a tree, etc. All these are comes under concrete noun. Means these all we can see and we can touch these all are comes under concrete noun. Next one is abstract noun. Words which represent something that cannot be seen or touched but can only be imagined or felt are known as abstract noun. So without seeing or without touching anything, just we imagine ourselves. Means here nothing but it is a we dream about something, that all comes under abstract nouns. Examples, smell, we can't see that one, we can't touch one that. So smell, taste, beauty, knowledge, worship, these all are comes under abstract nouns. Now next third one is material nouns. So here material nouns are the words like gold. Gold is a metal, silver is metal, iron is mercury, etc. These all are comes under material. Noun. Now next one is collective noun. Words like collective means a group of words, nothing but words like herd. Herd is nothing but a group of peoples or a group of animals. So these herd, committee, police, jury, etc. These all are comes under collective noun. Now next our topic is pronoun. We will discuss about pronoun.